Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily create a custom map in the Google Maps. So, at first we have to drop a pin on the place of interest. For example here. Now we have to scroll to the left and as you can see here we have to roll out this menu. Here you have to find the button called the download. Here more, download of my map. And as you can see, here now we can mark our area to download. We can unzoom or zoom back again. For example, I want to download whole this city. And now we have to click download over here. Now if we want to find our map, we have to tap our profile picture in the top right corner here and click on find maps. Here as you can see we have our map. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.